Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to speed up ordering with the WooCommerce pop-up cart. Let's get started. In order to do that, you just need to head over and then try to install this. So as you can see, I've already installed mine, so just head over and click on this activate option. So as you can see right here, I have successfully installed and activated mine. So just head over and click on this settings right here in order to see the settings of this particular plugin that we have just installed. Now from in there, you can see this. You can change the general, the style, the advanced, or anything. So you can show your basket icon as well as your clothes icon. So for this one, you can also change the style right here. You can change the cart width, the height, as well as the open from. So you can auto adjust it if you want as well. So let's open it from right. And you can also choose in here a font and make sure to enable this right here. And you can also show it on mobile. So you can also choose in here the icon size and everything. Now, when you scroll down, you can also change the background color if you want. As of right now, background is white and the text color is black. Now you can also change the border and everything that you can see from in here. So let's head back to our general. And then you can actually just tweak it according to your liking. And you can add this to your menu if you want to as well. Now from in there, head over and save this progress. And as you can see, it's saving. So once it's been saved, let's head over to our actual store and let's see what it looks like. So you can see in here my shop, and I now have this cart icon or basket icon. So when you click on that, you can see this is your cart now. So this enables a fast rendering of your products. And for example, let's try to add this to our cart. And then this will load and add this particular thing to our cart right here. And when you head over, click on this basket icon, as you can see, it will automatically open and you should be able to see in here your cart. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.